Well, hello again. How you doing? Good to meet you. My name's John, and this was going to be entitled "Old Enough to Know Better," or "Riding the YouTube Wave," accidentally on purpose. So, so this is where we are. I thought I'd make these every week or so as I go through my journey. I'll probably stop doing that, make them more like a fortnightly or a 2 weekly, whatever you want to call it, and maybe once a month or something. But it's been a strange journey. It's this rabbit hole that they call YouTube is interesting, isn't it? See, none of this was planned. I know I've said this before. Honestly, it wasn't really much of an idea. It was like a passing thought that I had that somehow escaped, grew legs, and now refuses to leave the house. But, once I started, something happened. I kind of got hooked, a bit enamoured, a bit curious, and, well, now it's personal. So I've always been like one of those people that does everything to excess. Can't help it. It's who I am. And then some. So moderation's never really been my natural habitat. So now that I'm here and I'm riding this wave all the way to the beach, and as long as I don't break the board or fall off it or get smashed on the rocks, then I'm going to ride it into the beach. But apart from that, I'm fully committed. So my first video was totally accidental. I genuinely thought it was a test, a simple experiment to see if I could work out how to use my phone without accidentally calling Australia or something similar, and whether I could navigate the labyrinth that is YouTube's upload system. And no one, and I mean absolutely no one, was more surprised than I was when I managed both, on my own, with no help, and yes, I felt smoke, and I think rightly so. So, the original plan, which has already exploded. So here's the funny part, right? I wasn't planning on anything happening quickly. In fact, I had a 2-year plan. A gentle, steady, sensible 2-year plan. At the end of it, I'd hope I'd have a small residual income to supplicate my rather meagre and impressive pension. That was the dream anyway. And here we are, not even 2 weeks in. 7 or so long-form videos, or a bit more than that now, I suppose. 20-odd shorts that I'm not very impressed with. And we're closing in on 200,000 views and nearly 2,000 hours of watch time. And this morning we passed the 600 subscriber mark. So I think I feel that I'm slightly ahead of the schedule that I had planned for myself. I guess the real plan, was always to use this channel as a major part of the funnel for the Fifield Studio. You see, I wrote a book about, 30 years ago, maybe more, that I never published. I really enjoyed the process of the writing. I always liked writing, and I really wanted to write something. And I didn't actually write the book. The book wrote itself. It was one of those things. But I never published it, or even tried to get it published, really. And then 18 months ago or something, I discovered KDP. And before you knew what was happening, well, I suppose there's a bit more to it than that, but I've written 39 books to go along with the first one. So we're up to about 40 now, as you do. But books need readers, don't they? And readers need a place to find you, and YouTube is a very big place. So, alongside the books, I've spent years coaching and mentoring CEOs, so I created a series called the CEO Briefs. Practical, sharp, no-nonsense guidance for leaders who want clarity instead of chaos. And I've been building development courses and offering one-to-one mentoring, and all of this needs a home, a proper platform. So I called in some help from dear friends. You know who you are, Tim Lloyd. And the Fifield Studio portal is nearly ready. Soon I'll be building a community, a place where people can actually benefit from the slightly ridiculous amount of sagacity and wonderment I seem to have accumulated. So, there's a series now that's beginning to take shape. And part of the community that I'm looking to try to build and go forwards with will be a series that you're already starting to see, things I wish I'd known 50 years ago. It's honest, it's reflective, it's occasionally painful. And it's exactly the kind of thing that I wish someone had told me when I was younger. Now, I intend to kind of build these things out. These are only short 9-10 minute videos at the moment. I do intend to build them out. And I'm going to be putting them together in a book, and I will be also offering some courses and training and one-to-one sessions based around them. So, what have I learned so far from this whirlwind of things that have been going on? So, first thing is that the watch hours from YouTube promotions don't count towards monetization. Okay, cool, that's fine. It's mildly irritating, but fine. Subscribers from promotions do count. Yay! That's good enough, which is nice. And the biggest lesson from it all, just do it. Don't overthink. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for perfection. When you've lived an interesting life, like what I have, you've published 40 books, admittedly self-published, but they're still out there. You've coached leaders, and you still somehow, this is kind of a little bit beyond me, but it's true, I promise you, I got people willing to pay for my wisdom, even though I look slightly haggard. And you might as well share what you know. Because, you know what, it turns out it's valuable. So, yeah, if you've watched this video and you enjoy it, then please subscribe or comment, hype, like, whatever you want to do. That would be great. And I promise you this, that the universe will behave exactly the same whether you do or you do not. But if you stick around, you know what, we might just ride some of this wave together. Be nice talking to you. See you soon. Bye.